South Africa, the next strong cold front making its way to the country, expected to slam the Western Cape early on Sunday. So here's your weekend forecast. A cold Saturday morning for the central and western interior, with some foggy patches along the coast as well as the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal, but otherwise a dry Saturday for South Africa with no rain in the forecast. That's ahead of the next strong front making its way to the country, expected to reach the Western Cape early on Sunday, spreading widespread to scattered showers over the southwestern areas, isolated showers for the surrounding areas, and cold conditions behind that front over the western parts of South Africa. Widespread showers expected to fall from early here over the Western Cape, with scattered showers spreading over parts of the Karoo as well as along the southern coastline and along the west coast. A few isolated showers as far north as the southern areas of our neighbouring country, spreading into parts of the Karoo and later the Eastern Cape. And then very late, a few isolated showers likely to move over the southern regions of KwaZulu-Natal. A northeasterly wind blowing fresh in Durban on Saturday, and then a northerly wind picking up over the central and western interior of South Africa. Fresh northerly winds at times ahead of that front, slamming the Western Cape on Sunday morning with strong onshore westerly winds spreading along the southern coastline, and also windy weather spreading across the country on Sunday. An icy cold westerly wind expected to blow, gusting especially here in parts of the Karoo. This can be dangerous for high-sided vehicles driving on main routes, with a gusting wind of more than 80 kilometers per hour expected, and also gusting winds later over the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. We're expecting a frosty start to your Saturday morning over the interior of South Africa, with -2 in Sutherland and -1 expected in Bloemfontein. But a mild to warm afternoon with mainly sunny skies. A high of 19 in Cape Town, but mid-20s in the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, and warming up nicely over the northern regions with temperatures in the upper 20s in Limpopo and the Lowveld. -4 on Sunday morning in Sutherland, but mild the morning over the rest of the country. Then we're expecting an extreme contrast in temperatures on Sunday morning across South Africa. It is going to be cold, wet and windy behind that front in the Cape provinces. Only 7 in Sutherland, light snow likely in the region, and 13 in Cape Town. But look at this contrast, where it's going to be hot in the east due to bergwind conditions, especially on the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. In those areas, temperatures will soar close to 40 degrees. So it's definitely a tale of two worlds across the country on Sunday. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.